Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can recover the deleted chats on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's get started. So here I am on my WhatsApp. First of all, I'm going to choose a conversation. Right here you can see. Now, I'm going to clear the chat with this guy. Alright, in order to get the conversation back, what I'll do, you just have to uninstall your WhatsApp. Go to your Google Play Store and reinstall it. Don't worry, you will not lose anything. After that, open up your WhatsApp. Now, fill out your information. Now, create an account. And once you are done with the creating account, right here you can see we have got a pop-up there looking for backups. And from here, you can restore all of your chats. Just simply go ahead, click on restore, and all of your chats will be recovered. Right here you can see I got my chat back. That's how you can recover deleted chats on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.